The Spirited Man Patreon is basically the alternative universe to this YouTube channel, and right now there's about half a dozen unpublished Spirited Man YouTube videos on our Patreon, ad-free, including one called Ambition about the first tape I ever shot. We also have interviews that I shot 20 years ago in Berlin about Berlin expatriates. Also, I do live streams. Also, it's the best way to get in touch with me. I respond to nearly all of the messages I get on the Patreon. About every week, there's something new. It's $5 a month, and there's a link right at the end of this video.
I try to be a man of integrity, and as such, I won't drive around in a car with bird shit on it. I ain't precious, I don't mind dirt. God made dirt and dirt bust your ass. But bird shit is undignified. A conventional car cover is a pain in the neck. And where am I gonna keep it? These balls are supposed to deter birds, but they don't. For years I've been spot washing, but spot washing only looks right on a freshly washed car. On a dirty car, you get polka dots. But for months, I've been conceiving this gadget as I fall asleep at night. I didn't do a great job. I didn't do the running boards, I didn't do the wheels, I never do the roof. It takes 20 minutes to bottle wash the Land Cruiser. A minute and 45 seconds to deploy the chute. And to furl and stow the chute takes another 5 minutes and 23 seconds. For a total of 7 minutes, 8 seconds per use. 20 minutes to wash, 7:08 to cover and uncover.
On this week's Patreon-only video,
magical places. Finding them is an internal drive for me. I live in one, a magical place. This is the kind of magical place that I love. Once great, and someone's trying to save it.